Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I am filming an intro for the Wet n Wild Dewy foundation. I did a video wear test and all that, and then when I was going through my memory card, I deleted the intro. So I deleted the application portion of the makeup. So I was just gonna come back on. I'm doing a tutorial on this eye look, but I was just gonna come back so that you guys could see the application of the foundation because I don't have it on my memory card anymore. So we're gonna do that. So I'm kind of doing two videos at one time. So just had to pop on here and let you know that that's what's going on. So I'm gonna go back to the other video now and we're gonna put it on. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Okay, so we're gonna use the Wet n Wild Water Drop Coconut Primer, Water Drop Primer in the coconut. I love this, I love the smell of it. It is beautiful. Oh, it's so good, I love it a lot. One of my favorites because it's just like a moisturizer. It's not like pore filling or anything like that. It's just gonna give you some moisture, which if you're oily, you probably don't want to have that. But me, I like it. I like the smell. And Wet n Wild, super affordable. And let's see, I did bring my. The other day I tried for the first time, I did my eyebrows, did the soap brows thing. Have you guys ever tried that? I tried it and it was actually pretty cool. My microphone is falling. But yeah, I got a bar of the clear, like transparent kind of soap and I tried it and it was actually pretty cool. Let me see, maybe move you in a little bit so you can see. So let's shake this bad boy up. I got mine in the shade. The eyesight though, this is Buff Bisque and it says it's a light medium neutral. And I thought it was a pretty good shade match. So nothing has been updated in the packaging department. We still have the paddle, but oh well. I think that Wet n Wild is on sale for 40% off at Walgreens this week. If I get this up in time. I just kind of slather it on there, get my beauty blender, and tap away. I don't like, full coverage, and this is perfect for me. The coverage is really nice, and I like the finish of it. I heard somebody say that it broke up on them like after a couple hours, but I didn't have that problem. They said the same thing about the new Maybelline one, and that didn't happen to me with that one either. So that is the coverage. And if you wanted to, you can add a little bit more. If you've got spots that you feel like need more coverage, then just add a little bit more. But I like how you can see it's like shiny, but not like super shiny. You know what I mean? It's just luminous or dewy looking. And it just looks, you look healthy, you look nice and glowy, but not too glowy. Or not too greasy, you don't look greasy. So that is the finish. So we'll finish up the, trying to do two videos at once here. Let me see. For the foundation review, I'll finish up my makeup and then I'll come back at the end for that, and we'll do the wear test. And so we'll be right back for that. Hi guys, I'm back. And this is what my makeup's looking like. I used the ColourPop Bye Bye Birdie eyeshadow palette. And then I lightly powdered with the Milani Prep Set and Glow powder. I used my Wet n Wild bronzer, my Steve Laurent blush, Becca in Vanilla Quartz, and on my lips is the Wet n Wild High Shine in Chic Got Real. So that's all that's on my face. So let's see. I was looking for the Wet n Wild website and it was down, but now it looks like it might have come back up. This is available in 20 shades. It is $6.49 on their website, has 2 reviews of 5 stars. And it says, this newest innovation to the cult favorite Photo Focus franchise, Dewy Foundation, a weightless, super nourishing foundation that delivers natural all-day wear. Silky and creamy, coverage is easily buildable from medium to full, and it easily transforms from day to night wear. Ideal for normal to dry skin types, this moisturizing formula blends seamlessly, blurs imperfections, and helps to minimize the appearance of pores in a perfectly smooth, dewy, fresh finish. Available in 20 cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and vegan shades. It says it's ultra lightweight moisturizing formula, delivers buildable coverage, and is long lasting, and a hydrating glow. So let's see if I noticed any pore minimization, because I did not use a pore filling primer today. And yeah, it did, because my pores are the largest on my nose, and they do look kind of blurred. I think it just looks nice. So far, I mean, it looks good. We'll see how long it lasts. It is, what time is it at the moment? It is 11:53, so I was finished, we'll say like 11:45. I've been finished for a few minutes, so we'll come back. I'll check in, I don't know, in about 4 hours. We'll see how it's looking, and then I'll come in, check in at the end of the night, and I'll let you know what I thought. So I will see you in a few. Hi guys, it is me. I'm back for a check-in, and it is, what time is it? It is 3:46, so it's been on for 4 hours, and let's see how it's looking. I'll let you guys take a peek before I look in. I looked earlier in the mirror in the bathroom, and I was like, oh, I like how my forehead's looking. It's, you know, doesn't look dry and everything, and it's still, everything's still there. Yes. Of course, Mister's here. He's doing his inspection. He'll let you know, final review later. All of my products are still on, minus the lipstick. And I think it looks really good. I mean, you know, I have wrinkles. I'm old. I'm going to be 50 next month. Oh my God, 50. And, you know, I have wrinkles and stuff like that. So anything I put on is going to, you know, show in my wrinkles and whatnot. And I think that it looks nice. It looks really natural. And the only problem that I saw was when I got my like 10 times magnified mirror out, and when I, you know, looked super magnified, then it was like, oh my God, like I could see every crease on my face, every little line, you know, like you have the lines on your palms. I felt like, oh my God. And then I'm like, why did you look in a 10 times magnified mirror? Like, who's gonna look at you that close? I'm like, I can't even see me that close unless I'm in a 10 times magnified mirror. So I was like, I saw that and I'm like, why? No. So just regular, normal mirror, you know, face-to-face, conversational distance. I think it looks really nice. I don't see any difference in how it's looking now than how it was looking, you know, when I first put it on. So I just think it looks really nice, and you know, so far so good. I would definitely wear it again. So far, you know, we'll see what it looks like in another 4 hours. And not gonna lie, my pain today is like really bad, and I'm gonna go take a nap. So we're gonna nap test it too. Not only wear test, nap test. So I am gonna lay down, so we'll see. I usually sleep on, yeah, this side. Oh, this. We're gonna nap test this baby. So we'll see what it looks like in another 4 hours. So I will be back in just a second. Okay guys, this is my final check-in. It is, oh, it's 8:01. I don't know how I got off track here, but it's been almost 8 hours. So let's see how we're looking. Let you guys take a look. And it doesn't look much different than it did 4 hours ago. I think it still looks really nice. My forehead's got like a nice kind of dewiness, glowiness to it. And like I said, I did take a nap. So it made it through the nap pretty good. This is the side I was napping on. And you can still see my bronzer. Is my highlight still there? It might be a little bit faded, but I was napping. So it is nap proof. But I think it looks really good. So it's been on almost 8 hours, and that's what it looks like. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. Have you guys tried it? What did you think about it? And let's see. Yes, mister. So that's gonna do it for this review. I would give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna keep testing it, so I'll have more updates for you guys coming up in future videos. But for now, that's what it looks like. That was an almost 8-hour wear test. And yeah, that's what it looks like. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more reviews of foundations, let me know, especially drugstore foundations, because they're more affordable, are the ones I like to purchase. So if there's a new one out there that you want to see, there's the new CoverGirl one, there's the new Maybelline Radiant one. So if you want to see any of those, let me know, and I'll try to pick them up. So hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.